I'm going to show you how to fix a doorknob. So this is what's happening. We have a doorknob for our front door. It no longer works. So I took this off. What it appears to be is the spring is broken. There should be two wires sticking out. Now just one wire sticking out. So I did a little bit of research. What I plan to do is take this off. See, there's a spring right here, this washer like. I'll take off the washer and then I'll try to replace the spring. All right, so as you can see, here's like a washer like right around here. It took me a little bit research on YouTube to figure out how to take this off. All right, so what you're gonna do is, you see there's an opening. You can use a screwdriver, stick under it, and then try to pop this out. This is my first time doing this. I think this, it worked. See how it just popped out? Ideally, I can take this off and then replace the spring. What I plan to do is find another similar knob in the house, out in the closet, that's no longer used or rarely used, and replace that spring with this one and then put this on the front door. All right, I was able to take this apart. Take a look at this. This is the broken spring and this is a working one. I took this off from another doorknob in our house, right? So what we're gonna have to do is, it's either two wires sticking out. We need to make sure it's gonna use the tension for the spring to hold this together. So I have to bend this all the way and let the wires hold on to these two parts, okay? All right, look at this. I was able to put this spring on. Look at this. The two wires need to be sticking out and hold on to this, the other sticking part. All right, everybody, I'm so excited to share with you. All right, I was finally able to put the washer or the pin on there. Take a look at this. This is not working. Look at that. Oh, it goes back in position now. So all I need to do is put this on, and then it's fixed. I just saved $100 for our family by fixing a doorknob and replace the spring by myself. I'm so excited.